Hi friends, welcome back to our tutorial. In today's section, we are going to learn how to create a sales report by using pivot table and without pivot table. Let's start. First, we will create a pivot table. For this, we need to select any cell of the data in the range. Then click on Insert button and click Pivot Table. All data will select automatically. This is the range. Next, we will create the table in the same worksheet. So we will click on existing worksheet. Then select the cell. OK. Then we will drag these product into rows, and then product count we required. Next, amount. It's a count and this is a sum of amount. OK. Design, layout, outline form. Here we will change the headings. So it will be count, total, bill amount. And we will do alignment. Perfect. So total count 33 and total bill amount is it's like 24,783. Okay, so we will change the format of this value field settings. Here click on number format, then select number, use 1000 separator, click OK. OK, right. This is a pivot table. Now we will create the same table without using the pivot table. So we will use the same headings. Before that, we require unique data of the product. For this, we will select the data, paste here. Now we need to remove the duplicate names. For this, click on data and remove duplicates. My data has headers. No. Remove it. Click OK. See, these are the unique items. So we need to use here. Okay, perfect. We'll bring this here. Okay. Now count. Here we will use count function is equal to count if open bracket. First we will select the range. Comma, select the criteria, close bracket. 1. When we drag the formula, the range also will get changed. See here, see, range is getting changed. So range should be same. For this, we will add a dollar symbol. Perfect. Now drag the formula. Now range is not getting changed, it is fixed. Here we will use sum function to total the figure. This is getting tallied. Okay, now we will add bill amount. Here we need to use sum function again. Sum if yes, or we can also use only sum if. We need to select the range. Comma criteria biscuits comma sum range. We require the sum value of this column. Okay, close. Biscuits, see here. Again we need to use a dollar symbol to fix the range. Criteria will be the same, but for this I will add. Okay, perfect. Now drag the formula and again use sum function here. See, 8,24,783. Perfect. So we will design this format. Okay. Right. Perfect. So we will assign this in ascending order. Sort product. Okay. Now check the difference. There is no difference. Both are same. Now suppose if we have changed anything, for example baby care or cool drinks, here I am changing the value. I will write it as 200. Then see the difference. In pivot table, every time we need to refresh the table, then only value will get refresh. For this we need to click right click, then refresh. Now amount got changed, but in this table automatically it is taking the values. Again we will change the value of cool drinks as 25,000. See here, this got changed, but in pivot table value not changed. Again we need to click refresh. So this is the difference in pivot table and in normal table by using COUNTIF and sum functions. Hope you understood this section. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you.